some sense say company aman kotano and some about I 70-30 na chesano ball mo pari nyina no aye bamunchi for na chepon boy wo hwe aye passes completed na chesa 520 as against 170 FF Bobokua ye fan so bamunchi no na chesano bamunchi for na ye adwuma no simple and watch XG na chesano nyina no wo mo so ama ye adwuma till latest me say kan je ebena no pani nyina no and some man say manager amana boys ni days off no say and no man so abesi akwa and na Monday na report am say kan say na players no off ntinya de say wo mo so about report about training na nyame yarmo chena bna chesa no ayo chena Tuesday and am say kan say ba mo chintim no wo mo so about zoom training nampo wo mo so about start prepare sansa wo mo next game eba so aye Bayern e wo fie wo mo so na Freiburg and about sa game I was say no some baso na jaminya no say nyame ya doma wo mo san say ya wada and some aye off day adama ba mo players ni nyina no and so aye nyoma manager na ye fan some France and company one some na ye so sanioma no chesa no aye update eba ho some nyina no ye de ema ye je for anano pay and some our show no safei yenko aye Netherlands anano pay dia latest amenya na report am say kano and some other say nyame ya doma weekend ye wo big game chesa no Netherlands I was a basso na match I was a basso no Woko aye final da aye final ani ayas and also mobo now some anopa report am say can say one shot some match na entimi man so aden yesem aye police for say woman no omonya available na say na say police for dem say aye to protect aye life and property over down crowd on catch so service with integrity yes police for budge my mama baso my dey empene mo yes ahana who drew aye Netherlands adomo can say yesem did you pass it? I did kind of retirement scheme. And yet, I'm a Yasuma Kasawa, Ebesina Asa Brino, Wajin any Asa Branding fee. I'm a Dominion and another person. Juniors, I just and I just a union Sabatua, and I police juniors. Almost our Netherlands say, one more officers and to me available. What yes, I'm some of us, some of Bobo, among Concobo, and I'm going to be as what to say no. I a high profile game, and at the moment, so much, you know, and some I a high profile game, no, Yana Amo class. Finally say match them a high risk and unti Dominion and other persons say a gamer Yakobo our supporters in me no and some about media bunny am I ye Nasabia security anywhere and you cross here Emma Samach and Abaso and us of none of Pameka said Dominion you know and some other say chances our house be a friend not Anubokua your friend Ayas Namiyama Sunday watch Ebia game no woman some about me two at the Ashata I just a situation as of now no and also some Netherlands artists and no and some update to Eba who something you know yet Emma you took for anano pay and some our show no so yanko are your bossa for Jai Emma Clement Longley, Meno Caswaba Johnny Aletuque, the Cabba Catchos, Ned Joba Johnny Aletuqueno Preno, Wamusum Amaduna Ababe permanent on himself, Wabraya Casa Chesana, and some Iania Canasa 26, no, not just Akabe Sebia, 5 more days, not transfer market, no, and some closing Yamia Duma, and no I Friday at as a will be, and some could do I Saturday, not just a transfer market, no, and some closing to Bonsa, Wamai Bakwafrimo. Ama says so I have some da and no some bana on him contract na ebeto gasa bobokua ye fa some bounce ebetimi assign and no aye bounce and Nike ebetimi assign no report am say kan say we and some aye do ba kwa chese anu ohyepa ni nyina no say omo say ever since wo mo te aye bounce bibi ati say no and some am bi da say bia bounce and Nike assign na bia sika FC Barcelona and some aye free Nike for and no some abosoro aye ti say sansa wo hwemu a na chese sika fe bouncer for no wo mo ba gem na free Nike wora bi si da ama gem say kan nyina no and so any Eban say, our honor some do my attention, no, and some ako. Nasa Kobasebi, I would sorry. Now what is FC Barcelona? Woman Nike, a real amateurs at Deno, and some other official idea. Then your boss I return to Nia. You can say 1:1. Boss about 1:1. And no Anabama crying Amalco Dana. Your friend said Danny Olmo registration, and no some judgment to buy an idea. One more transfer registration, Abaya Kama. Now a 10-year deal. 10-year deal. deal no aye 90 million euros a season. Our bonuses abamwa 150 million euros a season no and aye sika bobokua ye fans of boss ebetumi aje na sesi aye kasa sika na nkomutua aye 35 million and from 35 na jump and somebody called 90 million euros na se one report aye pa and it boss hwere say womo saka sa dene pa womo som abareta no tunia ye can say 1:1 and no and just aye ba ko say womo som aye say omonsa no and some abetumi aka just no and some aye update eba ho sem ni nyina no ye de amiete for bonsa and pay womo training session e kwaso say maka tro so about midweek na midweek ni nyame ya doma Wom game ni yochina na just watching Tuesday and a bonsa and some ayesala liga game I was saying no some about amoko ayevayekano na basa boys ni na just ano payano oruano some akam kwadana guma womuso yom training kama enche bi akocha ye fan sanse flick na pre-match conference ababa so na training session omuye jeminya no say Ronald Araujo ye no so apra and watch Andras Christensen one some apra Frankie de Jong apra V and Ansu Fati omunyina no wamam apra omo ana chesa no pay omantimi ama training omo makane nyina no enso training our bra wamo so ko aye kas ama sa game no eno so abaso na manager ne yebisa na pasa anopa ye de ne except ba onya man ne mom mani kan emfa we ma yebisa no say emanche pi na wo say omo propra na so nyina chi oye happy awo team a wo kita ne nyina chi no anya bia no say na musi ko no so ono de team o kitanya fai and there be a transfer market be obiarum sa enoma mu ensom aye den e dia ma bonsa e bia nkabana ono de onyaya anka wei aba e bia wei ko ene adena so nyina chi no manager ne giri e ba sa squad enei wono som akita wode yi adwuma e dia ma bonsa ne nyina no I was say ohwe so na oye na adwuma se be a results no betumi akwa ma ho ensom an focus enso I will coach I find a flick ensom akasa
have now okay and this is the things you can change then, okay, but to make too many thoughts about other things is not good. So I will focus on that. What is here, and the team is good, have a good quality, and with this team we try to win the match tomorrow. I'm up.
Yes, not just a team. Our kita nano pay. I didn't come on in now. One more ever try say a debut also. You said a bear. One more super winning. Yamia Mochina. Our way. Our process. Say Barsafono. Are you 2 out of 2? Not just say. Are you possible 6 Barsa Timono? Woman Baku crowd today. Woman just 6 points in your just a manager. And some Sharma say Yamia Mochina. One more about 3 out of 3. I just any no. And some I update. Okay, say maybe I can name to Barsa. Some weeks ago, Yabeka some years ago, and what it, and now probably since I catch will say, I am manager for the Sansa Flick, or no, and I'm name, I'm about to Barcelona. Now, name and the Barca and Sansa Pejana Beka, we want more food Sebia, grow and Asabia, walk kind of Sakwa, name, no, Yasem on one Casa Camp, I will say, mistake Bako Pa, why, as I Paris Saint Germain move no, Amsana or who say a Hogono, and there be a France football in tea, or France on time be a Ballon d'Or. What you mean to say no what you was so to say be a quiet our bank one said dear be on the Sibrano never no what brown so yes at me was outside a gym plan 1 year one no home just unya chances of coachi na correct two mistakes ebia beya nipa be catch us a bossa our present obefru no and a mistake kase pa ba kwa nema no one some ayetia emre be atam na racketech munyina da so our bossa and no come case my best story and maybe a trauma match say achapa womo busa sam anya bia ne name na mo be sam fa ne kono sana Mbappe na so enti no ma ma say yes sika ne ba na bia sika no ensom aye kama nkwan dia won beto name ama name akọ bonus at time at 110 million euros. Woman is Jean-Claude Todibo, Ivan Rakitic, and Usman Dembele, Ekoi, Emma Chesam, Omonjana Fat name Amra, and Paris Saint-Germain. Eka say 110 year. Entimi Jinema, Entomania 130 Basa Fana for 20 Nakano, and so I don't know my name, I'm a beauty. Can you understand? Kabia day, Basa form, form of Amasikasa, because one should know who will be our yesta Ewomoa, who Toa Yabato, Achesa, O Makatan Amaya Yentinema Nidiano, Sankomunya Nema Sometime, and some never seen now, and Kanyama Besses and also yes, Manijano, and a same on Penema Amamano Casanadi, and Yasenema come up to Basano, and no, and some other and no aye kakra fi omasoye enso ade aba wa bra ho nsem no ye de ama ye te fa our show no so kai sir medical dey about just some weeks ago make sure sir James Rodriguez aka crab no Johnny Boboku a ye fa no self ye kano na omutumi ya announcement ne ene e confirm ama do no aba be official na say bia James Rodriguez ebetumi ya available for nyame ya mo chena omu game no na mo de minya no sase de no masi kwadi wan hwa ebe die pass player no konya form and some Copa America anymore and some Nabetia Bossa game be Ochina and some Ariacha Saita you found a Basa our Branano Peno yet the update in that demo now and you may cost our Madrid no the camera I Nico Williams answer Nico Williams and pay one bay training a Bainum and you're training not there one must say Woman gamer, woman boss a born in Andrian. I'm so boy in game no. Now when you discomfort and to them and second sender went to me and any teammate you know and some annual training. I just a Nico Williams, some more about training and opino, not just a Nico and so and Kahua and Kakra Eba. Now Kylian Mbappe, okay, some ball against Real Mallorca. Monday, I'm able to just a serious and Trofua. One was Spain, as you saw Gunusono, and your bash and Ketua Cram and no Casa and Anopeno. Who do Spain ahead? One more can you now sound so beam and some idea Guacadana for the same Mbappe. And so at there, woman did you ever so here? Now I'm saying Nipadi as your Tiska to say, and some other before our bra. Yes, I'm your Omatiama PH Lemon, who Jessica to say your good botoma. I was so yeah, BB. I'm on your man, some Ayakama, Adamatimo. Now report to me, son, can so raw. You found Ancelotti. Jeba says the same. Yes, see, and Penfon say, I bring beyond the crack of any particular one. I said, be nipa, one I dean, Ebi aside pani a considerance or your big boy, and I said, be nipani a star, Edna Babiano, Yana a take time kakra, and send what to me adapted, and now Udru Madrida, one of Nipa, Amadania Sudia, Nipa, yes, Amadania example. And your real father say, Gareth Bale, okay, one say Gareth Bale, every Tottenham buyer, what Obreo, now okay, look at Modric. So one in the first season, Real Madrid for the semester. Monfana Zoom Lion car crano mon cotton and to baby. I'm just a command some people and what you know about the Ballon d'Or. Gary Bone, some other team, no, other Champions League, other titles. I'm a promise see Ronaldo. And so crab by a crying better Alabama. And to say Baba, maybe a friend or Baba just their fee and Baba adapt Munyabo Trekakra and some Famano. Now Real Madrid dampen for the say. One of the our manager. Manager Calancelotti, Omugidi, and say, Manager, I bet me a fine tuning yoma. I'm a Vinicius Junior, Kylian Mbappe, and Rodrigo Abbo, and a Bayer who at Yama opponent Tawadua. One was some Ababa Shiabo Cavanas and Madrida. One was no cause for alarm. Now, I'm a German second, so coach, you know, yes, we'll consider Sabia. Abasa come back to one cast and formation. Formation, I have 4-4-2. Answer 4-4-2, I have German Jano, now a type of panty. Sabia reverted. 4-4-2 and Munum about Vinicius and Mbappe. Vinicius at Daha, Mbappe at Daha, a better Mbappe or Petikakra from the left. Our brother Vinicius in the day, about Sabia Central, and some other chess in the first of a piano, Bainum, about me, a Sajumano, and no I job across the same. Jamie Yan say, many channels some Abaswa, I want something, you know, yet the Emma, yet for an anno pay, and some our shoulders to see Ronaldo, Metano person, Ronaldo so retire, one shot more Biaman yet, Sabia or retire free national team, Moya, and all return Wayamre, and a Jodrum, fine Cosi Hiniate, see Ronaldo, Metessa, yes, Bama say. So no, Basso Baba retire. One will be an incognasier, Safeno Baba Setero International, Wabetro Massa Derby, retire from international football until then. Or that's so bomb. Emma Portugal. One Abaswa Bibi Sronko, as Emma Portugal Timino, Wabasua Portugal national team Tinamino Casino, Wabakoswa Bobo, and some Aman national team Amusan say, Na Anyabian are retired Dachibiana, Ronaldo, Abaya manager, Ronaldo Abajana Dugout, Alcochiana, what's it say party about this one, and some Abe coach on your ready say, Obe coach team Biawa Sasiso, and as our coaching job, and man, I dream Suda, and to know be a say be a very time now, it's be Uko coaches Caban, Biana Si Ronaldo, and some other pa, Wabasan Adisabiono, and some Uncle Coachie, and also a Kaka Amaswaya, and some Adeba, Ellen Helen Bono, na Adeba concern. Halan Eko ball hat-trick na weekend na chasa Saturday bema swogum Ellen Halan we also bonus oje match ball ekwa ya na teammate no biade autograph and some to biade message kakra obuon mo gya no asan obuon mo gya na bia o de message bia to ama ye say wo teammate ba kwa me no kasa de me nya no say nipa no so no kwa no wabre de bia gye sa oje maka no asan ball ho e de ama Ellen Halan san so ba ye aye hat-trick ama akoma 7 and what bomb our Premier League no munko a de ama Man City about in all competitions Haaland ekita hat-trick no makuma 10 chesa won limited to Premier League makuma 7 no yes teammate I'm sick of writing this match ball na chesa bia no ye red dressing room ye ko dware ya hye go baba ma san homa masaba bi do in terms I say bia unya team bi na almost stop ya kwara nya sa de na twene de mo be ko so atwere sa I say bia den sanchen na Omakudana, your father says, Joao Cancelo, Basa Font to me and fat. Na me no kasai yedem so baba Johnny Hilal na ma mutim no na anope wodro Man Syria report to me say kan say aye 25 million euros ano ana be pm ama akwadana ye fan say Joao Cancelo and some let me assign ama bobokua ye fan say Hilal Man City for no wo say aye 2 either say for buying on loan or we are obligation to buy ebeye nhye and also the also wa shada so awoba na de waba be kan sika na wafa boy no and some akoni nyina na ayeton ana cheso mo tonte Hilal no ana cheso boy na ebenya ko na say Manchester United mayu dianom manager Farsa Ten Hag manager Eric Ten Hag na omusa bisa so pani na mfu se bia mo ya director se ba na se na ankwe no so he also body okoba na luzia no bia ka de opechra wo o my right things and maybe atwam adem akwakoje aye FA Cup woman the right things and the winning matches out and ya denemom yana ebeka the little details ne the small details aho and yana emanioma ha and you say bia on boys ne nioma and ba kubusa na ba consistency say bia mo ya de pan and na watching am awasamo to aso adeche awasamo to aso na mo say kubasa bia man aye papa and na watching no mo de bone kakra bia fra na papa bone no my papa kakra anasa papa pi boni kakra bi chasa boni pi chasa ni nyina no a combination of Manchester was hwinsi na anyoma ba kama Yenche United coach you found Ten Hag.
No, I don't. I think we also often we did the right things, Simon, and that we had success. For example, when we win the trophies and when many other also big games we take the points. But yeah, in this occasion today we should have do better. Community Shield we should have do better. In many occasions we have done very good in such situations where we brought the score over the line and take the result.
Yes, and no, I kakra manager Francis Ten Hag Ghana hotels ya dene excepts Emma ya for enano pe ewa bro ruano and some other swatches amani o mapani nyina bi na momo ya na e wose bi o mo san hye kana ne mpade a ya kana say consistency eba wa brand papa ni nyina no wo mo nso eba koso ye na jeminya no say Jadon Sancho enkoma e pagya from eno na job ba on say woni Juventus say na medi kama be bo nkro ade a chot dada say Jadon Sancho no de Juve ebetimi ya fa ne mom nisika ojene na watwe enom ana eye problem ema bobo kwa fan say Juve enti wabra no amanfo say an ana Chelsea story say di kala beka na yese amanfo bi kro man yu atwa say ye dan a Chelsea do mo baba bete o ka say nyina no ya baye ama atwam afere Chelsea fo ntwom ti a wo mo say an ke Abraham Ben Chilwell ene Raheem Sterling nanka ya baba fa Jadon Sancho eno mo say meza akomi ani abre say masa man you stop and what argument am say na man you na ya bia wo dia just say o mani ya brutal na jaminya no say amanfo bi wo gide say na ye kasa na Monday and na Juventus and Panifono, one more Saba Bedin Kobabi, almost at this time, no, one more some the new strategy and Eba, and no, I acquaint almost some of Fasua, one more so sunny a branch, I want to say Jaden, and some I'm a boy in a quad, almost said Cabion to say, Bynum, I'm a friend on loan. Nasa Man's United about supporting a Catranidia, one more some other for boy at Tenaco, Rick, I Rika, I bet to find Manchester for the middle, sir, and you'll be a Manuel Ugarte, Ababa, and also Ugarte, I'm at this week, you know, Jamian Sabetia was a boy, you know, and some other body, and maybe to Manchester, no, what Batnania can send a medical, and Jackan, you know, and no answer to me a basso, not just I know I am Manchester, dear, and no some Abafay, my man friend to him, Arsenal, also I didn't catch ya catch us, I was so na Edin Katia one to mini Bobokua your fans said Nottingham and German said come last week and say Crystal Palace almost your team one more penisa so maton Jordan are you echo and I'm no kasa quaintum I'm a Jaban say Crystal Palace team no one mom and a man for our GDS say one more bet me a far quadana fans say Edin Katia I'm a Chesan Katian swap and no update about who's something you know yet the Emma yet and some anopay and so I was sure so German second say and it's Arsenal team no yes woman tonye apart from Mikel Merino and then Ricardo Calafiori omo bani nyina no Arsenal epe winger na winger no sanan komo Nico Williams and say Nico Williams in so stay I was some mess na bia bani nyama dia I was say manager fans Arteta and some epo bi ebeshem entem free ne enkwasi wiki mu a transfer market ebe close no bi ansem no betim yes our Arsenal wo so transfer dealings no mo say wo strike Fanasa Gabriel Jesus akwaya scan ni pranom anya probia ehu bia na mo so mo kwaya scan no do mo kan nyina no say wo manya positive result na report no chese boy no anya de so betena fiache aye nansen ya obesa bantini kwa say bia we Arsenal enso afana o ma yam enso ahyehew enom kakra fi o ma so ye ete baba bia manfo din komo no wonum say me no ka say our Liverpool no adeba ko ehia o ye pa enso aye Mohamed Salah so extended the contract. Trent Alexander-Arnold so on some extended and after Virgil van Dijk as account. Nemo Mama Van Dijk answer Van Dijk dianom. Yes, say when we game of Kodin Koma, Omusana o future to say Van Dijk say and found any the best on the Dutchmu, Sebi obeste. And also about Cocrano, still Liverpool, about Coswatana Comaso, and almost a summer Aquana can and one at Jono, and some HSB be able to be a see, and say, oh, Liverpool fan. Now a show to himself, Van Dijk Bestea, fashion to himself, a bet me a basso, I will show to himself, Van Dijk Quebecois, Fano some account, fashion to himself, Nabi, the Bessie Biano, Monso, my ready Samuel Tumno, Liverpool Timono, and some movie on a sense, and that's more cano, one more trust a more do, I buy no, went to me and Sudia, Sabio, Metana, Sampo Ebia, Yagusu Dinkoma, or say, and from any of the best on the Dutch Mubiano, and say Liverpool Timono, and some Nabacoso, Awana Comaso, now reaction, a Cobas and Rakotana, your father Trent Arnold, Adama Kocha, your father Anna Slot, and also, and there is a question marks at Yaba, Ebemusum, our GDS, say, yeah, Yababa was 70 plus, not many Janisi Frim, now Conor Bradley, Emma Bobia, Wabu for 80 money Janine, one and now. Baby a Trent akwatana ya manager na echire no mudentia wey ni free anu match ni mo amanfo hyasem aso ade good boy no so sabama enya free na baba na bia no enya nkwa na player ama Liverpool ana ball no kwa na free ana ya start season and say kobase bia wo no manager no aso baje ohome no obi mabo mako holidays aba afeni ya start obu okra physically unyanya 100% fit na chese yes bet na nchiro obi mabo bia obu ofu wo dia anopa yenti ana slot enchomu a what by reason tia kodana your fan say Arnold where your substitution Americano.
I understand it's not every player wants to play 90 minutes, but I don't think the players that were on the bench from the start were really happy with the choice I made. So, but Trent came back from the national team, where in the beginning of the tournament he played quite a lot. Then he didn't. Had a few weeks off. Came back. It's only his third game, and we have to take care of him as well because we need him for the whole season and not only for the first 2 games. And what the good thing for me is that I have a very good backup as well with Connor. So that means we are taking care of him, of Trent.
Yes, and no, I can't be a many January to Jawaka. Now you are now free. I am national team at Bank to also show see. A man, your man, so I come at my team to set a bayanino and some I can't free money Jana swear about Fay, young room and some our Chelsea elsewhere. Yeah, what kind of Troy Deeney, maybe a come. No, Captain my Watford. Now, or see, sir, players are manager, fans, I Enzo Maresca parody and a talent our Chelsea no. Sir, and you must start to say far, Massa. Was sent who from no more who Sir, you must start to say click a quia, a bayer who, and so Adiama other teams are one some aka. Now, Udum said, no, you might do a Oka almost start to season. No one should have your playing time. Now, Jacoban is a manager, Sanya say, one more plan, and say, one more shall do a cabaret the next a few matches, a quia dia, and any tea and quia. So much from here, I'm still a Monsano Ben Ampa. Madu case, I know here. Competition, Nessa, afraid you almost say, Maduake Ebe stay, and Romani Jano Clark say, Maduake a ring Gabi or Panasamono, what he can't maybe a chum to say. I didn't hear your pie of consistency, and at the end of Dennis and Rob Massa, Chelsea Rini, Yabon 90 minutes, almost a Maduake Jamaica, I just am Omunana Baba defender, Chelsea Rini Nana, just a defensive duties no, El Cosmo Chelsea manager on the team so far, and Yoma, and some sequel.
I want to see my team playing the way we want to play, compete every game. That this is the most important thing. Team that on the ball has a clear idea what they want. Off the ball, a very aggressive team. I think today, for some moment, we start to see our team in terms of we were pressing, and then in terms of squad, try to improve the players. I feel very lucky. I feel very happy. I said since day one that I think the squad is very good, and I feel lucky because there are many players that they are versatile. They can play in different positions. That is something that I really like, and then we see where we arrive. But the most important thing is to try to be better game after game.
Yes, and no, I Chelsea manager AC Milan, so I assess Zlatan and the boys in our dressing room. Nanya some with but and created the also be a former teammate. Be so a new signing, so my Babat Zlatan and the boys in the Casa, so more talent, or more Neddy and my team. No, Meza Sebi I find here. Mike now, where? Okay. Yes.
I'm feeling blue. So, Nina Simone, are you a fan of jazz?
Oh, yeah, be one mother, you are there.
Our Nyumbi. I'm feeling blue. Aye, brutal. Is it what to right? Hey, I don't have to so copyright. After the Abro, what was I am cray? Are they?
Fancy. Now no less now the better one. I could say 1/38. You're 2/38.
Okay.
It's your cost.
Okay.
Fancy. Ma yanche tie for ne mo makwa ba na weekend way. Results because na fancy I don't want me adwuma na.
Nyame. You any Samuel.
This one mama nya adwuma na.
Meje phone mebuafo.
This one mama nya adwuma na.
Makula nya adwuma.
Oh, sorry. So Okasa.
Meza infino. Now I dey sharak dia ma.
That is the first goal so la la ho.
Ya magwa ehuna ma no mo nsa no. Aba.
Oh no. It was a very wrong move. Fancy. Ma yankomo didi ni share this weekend with some key games. Then the games now me pese me no di unkomo no Manchester United and Brighton. Ni aba be Liverpool and slots. Then na aba be Juventus. Ene Thiago Motta. Ene the number 10 jersey. Ho abakosem. Any the impact I expected here for you this war. Now, fancy and come did the NHS for Manchester United and Brighton. First of all, Hustler and Brighton and Kodani Jumedino Mudiwo England on Tony Bloom, Aton, top players in every team in him. But time in, time out, whenever coach Fufubia Bebiano, the system remains the same. The quality no more de bono as a new man and the output no more de mano and new man. Eda sujina baby ejina ana ekosoro kakra de boa wo mo from Graham Potter to Roberto Di Zerbi to Hustler. In terms of omudu medie no mabo omudi ni Brighton no possessive football, building from the back, and a come so ye efficient up front in terms of getting into goal scoring positions. Na Warbeck mo any drop do mo de ball to atinem. Na katima kawaton players fancy Di Maria the last 2 seasons where departures or money and the players or mudio mababe shishim, then you understand some projects no more and they know what they are doing in terms of the structure. Omutimija Moises Caicedo Kwai 116 million euros. McAllister 42 million euros. McAllister was 24 years, Caicedo no 21. Then Obabe share Robert Sanchez 25 years to Chelsea and also 23 million euros. Okaka says Kani na aboma Chelsea timi raise and our Brighton timi raise 181 million euros after selling Caicedo to Chelsea, Robert Sanchez to Chelsea, then McAllister to Liverpool. That season Nankasan in terms of signings omu timi make signings of 106.15 million euros. Signings omu de buy na I go to 16 million euros. Valentin Baku 9.15 million euros. Mahmoud Dawood free. Omukofa Vembrugin de buy 20 million euros. Carlos Baleba 27 million euros. João Pedro 34 million euros. Omufa Melna free. Mahmoud Dawood free. And Omukofa Ansufa to loan. Uti free Momunya 106 and Ombenya 74 million euros as profit. This season Ankasa no mo Shenanton players akese bebre because omo de omo ba last season no hwe ages no Sompa Valentin Baku age obehe Mahmoud Dawood age obehe Melna age obehe Fati age obehe Baleba age Baleba 19 Verbruggen age na 20 years then João Pedro na 21 omo de omo be replace players bi na omo di 2 years omboko ba na eni kwan say fa last season. It's this season, omo topping up with players. Be almost so metima complementing omo de omo ba last season. Abrana bo no form. This season in Kwano, omo ton 3 players no maton no bo no kra na scan omo nya no kra nduru 100 million. But let's not forget, say no more previous profit of 74 million euros. Aye, that ho. It's omo beton Dennis Undaf. Omo beton Pascal Gross. Omo beja key players be akaso kwan, but replacement ebeba. Ruta, 22 years, 46.7 million euros. Yankuba, Mente, 19 years, 35 million euros. Vefa, 24 years, 32 million euros. Gruda, 20 years, 31.5 million euros. Osman Ibrahim, Ghana ni Abranti omudi ni Cologne or Feyenoord. Yeah. Omobeje na nometono 19.5 million euros. Then Yankulie, onometono 7 million euros. Fancy, we mo nye status u. Omo to omo last season no. And Abe status say, imagine what they are going to do with another coach, or even they are supposed to keep this coach. Omo buy in no. Ebisu beba next season, and omo picking next season. Kadioglu mai, Martin O'Reilly sunye day. Am I? This is Brighton and Hove Albion. Tony Bloom adena woye no. Unim die woye.
Into coach Biaba Beshema, a famano.
The system is already there. It's yet okay. But against Manchester United, there are 2 key things Brighton and Hove Albion, the boogie side of Manchester United. That game now Manchester United losing. Eric Ten Hag our part to be blamed. Say or no, I can't be na Manchester United ain't me winning game no. Yes. Now the Manchester United ain't me winning game ni. The difference between Hustler and Roberto Di Zerbi teams aggressive pressing and PPDA. The aggressive pressing and Roberto Di Zerbi in call for say 1:1. Say all build it from the back now. Roberto De Zerbi be the players no good players so and they are very aggressive. It is fullback be pick you on you, winger be pick you on you, central midfielder be pick you on you, DM be pick you on you. But not almost shut down ball with a high line. But they were very aggressive. Aggressiveness no more close a lot of spaces just to make sure say on your opportunity ain't me said your free so open. But all hustle tactics no the person obona a PPD and ijinamade passes per defensive actions. Omo opponent in the number of passes and sana omo be defensive action bi omo take. It kakra. They are pressing you though, but they are not aggressive. So in this particular graph on your screen, Ometimia committee players Mako 7 with their 2 center backs playing with a high line just after the center field and a center of the field. It was check here. CBC ni mienu na wohono. Omaba with high line tra omona femu center line. And the rest of the players now committed to the press. But I'm committed to the press no. And yet 1:1. But definitely omo check it. How a Manchester United be prep promo ball baby on me pass ball na before they will take defending actions. Now the man Eric Ten Hag made money easy man was landing man fullbacks na say center backs no for Brighton in Van Heike. Any Lewis Dunk ebe ni mo abetra center line gina nyoma mienu. 1. The force number 9 na no mo bono. Omo center backs no omo nsuro because Bruno Enyobia obe running in behind them. Messi Mount Enyobia obe running in behind them. Omo Dumani said they are occupying the half spaces. Iti ema center backs ni fili say ye ko betimi ye nsuro ye betimi akọ high line na push akọ animu obi antimi nya ehwe. Iti Manchester United might win the press with Bruno Fernandes and Messi Mount, but in terms of creativity Brighton was very much okay and they were relaxed with their high line. Iti share how omo press in it no. They only operate or act when there is a pass or when there is a movement. It won't say Diego Dalot and Enya ball. Martinez ama Diego Dalot pass. That is when you see Veltman, or no, a fullback, and a press it. Then, over baby a Menu movie. That is when Welbeck is moving. Then Milner is tracking Bruno Fernandes. Some passes per defending actions. Because when you say Manchester United players, they be on ma. Omunya ball na. It told be just omu drian sana ball na timi ayedei. Ako. And Bruno Fernandes ni Messi Mount eko fire issue ni by. Odi eno ne ton chair. Manchester United ade omo fire ball mo ni say they will try and play it over the wall. So try some ball over the wall. Then you isolate your wingers against the fullbacks of Brighton and Hove Albion. That is how Manchester United team create chance. It is Rashford, Ahmad. The good chances of the game came to the wingers. But 1v1 situations need decision making in Tino. Almost when Timian capitalize it. And look at the space behind. And when I was running behind the space, you know. Where baby a Messi Mount jina in between the 2 center backs ka baby a pass ne kon when I was echo Rashford no kwa we ni free one so no na Kevin I was Messi Mount ne ye decoy but Messi Mount is still stagnant na chi ehwe afi no no beje pass. Second half Manchester United be quick or the Zexi beba Zexi ni ba na hu say game ni momentum ye dey e da na itima momentum map no ana abeti ase di nti Zexi ebesisa anyoma ye ba second half no the first 2 to 3 minutes no so you look at this particular after first half no Brighton ba mu kakra omo boy mu wie ni that means from there the 50th minute ho ekwa kosi the 70th minute ho kakra na 75th abra ye be Bruno Fernandes afri mu no it was all Manchester United they blue Brighton they green.
So with Fernandes substitution no because me so from us no was
Fernandes from 75th minute. Yes. In the introduction of Zexi, Emma Manchester United nyadi ko emienu. And na fullbacks no were failing to commit in terms of the high line no because Oba Manchester United is striker ba. And within that space of time Manchester United create chances o. Ba ko ana mo share ya na ye offside no. Then Eric Ten Hag takes Bruno Fernandes off. Baby assembly nyina say no no.
Engine no.
Oh ye Bruno baby assembly nyina say to introduce Scott McTominay. And Eric Ten Hag baby ojina say no one careful and adwuma ne bebo no because Ruud van Nistelrooy is waiting. One Ruud van Nistelrooy a Manchester United legend. When it comes to sacking players and almost sacking coaches they are not going to sack Ruud van Nistelrooy. Ruud van Nistelrooy when he say only Ghana your opportunity be adwuma no so be your opportunity be adwuma no. And Eric Ten Hag changes no first game adwuma de ma Zexi be share go. By this time around it did not work. And it's the reason Manchester United lost because the in-game management, when Manchester United had the momentum, no, and of course it's on the engine. Eduma or Homano, so my Anslot Beshana, na so beshi because Anslot in signing player. Oba Liverpool, no, how many years? Oshawa, pressure, no, any issue, no. And no, Anslot, do me do in Liverpool, no more bonabaso. And your mommy and son on his part. Patience. Possession, precision, the 3 P's. Patience, possession, precision. Yenyabo na munya wotre. Mo bi ampre no. Be very accurate in your passes when you are in possession, and be precise whenever you want to go long. Liverpool bona ye ding because ote na obeti no pass na o press no. No, ultimately BMU out of the presser. Luis Diaz, quality. Mo Salah, quality in behind. So, who press Liverpool be so now we expect to see Liverpool longer. Van Dijk, diagonal. Kunate, diagonal. Quick passes. Omenyaw, Trent Alexander-Arnold. But Nipa and Slot, Abba Liverpool because under your club players are more enjoy Mo Salah. Musala, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Anna Robertson, Beboa. This time around, when Abano, players on Mube enjoy Pano, Kunate, Luis Diaz. Kunate a defender wider, or Boa Alexander Trent, and once maybe another Liverpool problem, more pie right back on. So mu defend here, not in terms of possession and attack. Omuji to me say, Arnold no kwa ni mu bebre na China tokro no tai jai to ono. Fancy Di Maria, ana kwan na da ho no defenders ni ntimi track and cover, but there is Kunate. Key point. Can you this become a Del Piero, Platini, Carlos Tevez, Sivori, Roberto Baggio, and Nasa Paulo Dybala? Now, no one heard Juventus in Thiago Motta team ni bibiano. It is a blend of Catenaccio and total football. Oye Italy ni by Titini Spain. Boy no boy any baby Okura or France no the Bayern. They are very good in possession. And they create a lot of chances. But number 10 just in here, this work is CB as the Swawa Dumanaso. Del Piero, Adia made dot Del Piero, I would Juventus history na loyalty and connection. Cassiopoly di omo call. Sirabino, when yaho, he was still there. 290 goals in 705 appearances for Juventus. There is Sivori. Sivori Babaji Ballon d'Or, 135 goals in 213. Michel Platini, 104 goals in 223 matches for Juventus, Ballon d'Or. Then Roberto Baggio, 115 goals in 200 matches. Paulo Dybala, 91 goals, 36 assists in 216 games. Paul Pogba, number 10 jersey. Now, no matter how this the only foreigner watch the number 10 jersey. I born homeward in the Juventus is Liam Brady. The entire ball Liam Brady Nadini say in 1982 on a share the only go against Catanzaro. Emma Juventus edge the league. Yildiz is a foreigner. Can he change the name and the history? There is a certain Paul Pogba too. There is Paulo Dybala who are foreigners who have also helped a Juventus number 10. It is here Adia Yildiz Ebeye Ediama Thiago Motta.
Wo meza eno meba Michael Asarebodo ne mum nyame adma ya wada executive producer OKT ranking ema me 1 week ebeba so ewo amwom achiase Kenya se heya oba pani Kate Odro ene da form no ya wada ana 1 week na wotweda eba so na busuafo shedding because ne father free mo me ekoye February this year ana ne ma me nso efree mo last week ya yesterday adofo nyina samomra na momra meja OKT ranking kwame unkafra Mike
Fancy but I say nah, you see too much is given, much would definitely be expected, and that is the case of Rashford. Now what you're saying,
Rashford 250,000 pounds.
No, 300 though.
300, yeah,
350 in excess of 300,000
no born in the SB and yet who's canoje born no born will form. And for a player, your target to say, and your tout to say, oh, you're one of the key men in a team like United. You need to be playing better football. What about 2 games so far? 0 shot. In the game against Brighton, 2 offsides. Chances created, 0. This is not a performance befitting an English international and one of the highest earners at Manchester United. No. To whom much is given, much must definitely be expected of you. Because Waje, also for more dear for more park in this wa, Kosi and Kosi, Koda, and the one is saying me. So I think Rashford, this season, somebody can come before the season started, and a last chance salon, he needs to really prove that he's worth it. Yenim saw the golden egg. Oyiniti, he was a special kid from the youth team academy. Anna Vanga Amao chance. You played, you excelled in your first game. Now against Midland, Anameboa. Good. From there, Obia watching Yemuye Shesa Rashford Ebewo. Now what me anyam for 5-6 years, we have not seen any product. The fans of United have been pregnant with belief, hoping said there will be a final delivery. Say sa eniswadi hunu sa areshemu the omenya or Rashford mu biano. It will just bear fruit. And this season could be Rashford's year. Now bam, neko. This season be Rashford year. Bam, neko. He's 26 years now. And at the age of 26, that is where I was thinking when you peak and say daddy. If I'm not exaggerating, Rashford unity so ban na Mbappe MPA. Mbappe ba be pie. Akao. Into the way we are na toy no MPA da. Come on, if I am a fan, I'll get tired. And the issues, mostly a technical, you can look at the coaching aspect, but the player not remove be technically, things will be improving. And this guy has issues on the ball and off the ball. On the ball decision making, still, he keeps making elementary mistakes. Time will be releasing ball, no. Off the ball, he still has issues. Until now, check here. These are the stats. United team, no more attack or more name, no. The most experienced amongst them for attackers, because Bruno was a makeshift attacker. Rashford and no experience, but it was Ahmad who was the most deadliest and the most deadly Manchester United attacker. Why should it be so? They're the old Tanawa Mankodani Naba Besan Wako, Hanacho, Ahmad, Diallo, Omi Naba Besan Wako. Why? It needs not be so. And fancy, United. And Ten Hag, ARDB, almost friend of press. They decide to press from the forward. That is how come the decision to play Mount and then Bruno to some extent makes sense. Senior Bayer, the wing attackers would take advantage of the kind of situations Sir Fernandez and Mount, the Omube Creatia, they will take advantage. So if you've seen almost electric attackers here from the wings in the first 2 games of Mabo, Amad Diallo and then Garnacho. But the issue I have here is this. Off the ball, Mount more press it, Amad Diallo press it, Bruno press it. In the game against Brighton, the total presses recorded and our total pressures recorded, 27 for Mason Mount. Mason Mount did not finish the game, about 45 minutes. I know prior, Zegzi Besher and Nemo. Even in the 45 minutes now, Zegzi Subeboy, or recorded a total of 18 pressures. Bruno Fernandes, 39. Then Amad Diallo, 22. Rashford and Kwade, 12. It is Exino about 45 minutes, Grano. Or Presse better than you. So please, share this season, no, we a player now when you're there. I was here a bone to two. Near your boa sija, say, you can't say, you can't tuja. No, we need to. Because it cannot continue. One day be a better off. But Sunday was started last season. The sun was started. And if I'm a United fan, I will not be pleased. Oh, you're a big earner. You are a big player. Show it. Man in there, the near here. But I agree with Akomia about the momentum change 10. I didn't say Ten Hag, game management.
Sompa Sports.
Definitely it must improve. Oh, you're a top coach for a club like United. Not the trend now. Yes, fancy. It is a bit problematic. Away games now we are no pay say away matches are walk anyway. Shadrack Rabbit to
the
win 17 losses, 16 wins.
17 yeah.
Exactly. 17 losses, 16 wins. It is too bad. And then goals conceded in the latter stages of games. No improvement. This season in Kuwait has said twice in 3 games. Only Manchester City in the Community Shield considered a late goal. Then also only Brighton considered a late goal. And who are clearly decisions engineered by Ten Hag. It has to do with the structure and the personnel changes. Na Casemiro Jinemubo. You know that his legs are heavy. Age is not on his side. Now I'm a Casemiro at Swabo in an energetic Brighton display. When was a momentum na shifted from the 75th minute, Bruno Nimoma, he can operate in terms of trying to press and win back the ball, and then he can create. Where you are no moment frame, now the Casemiro Abeshim. Eh? Minim said make out here.
So
it is either you are taking off Casemiro, bring
on Bruno Ephraim and Austrian, but it's as some rise and no crack. I say crowd was 3 minutes and I didn't know we in Ephraim.
So this is it. Shadrack Mbwaye, there's a graph there. United are winless in their last 14 Premier League away games in which they have considered the first goal. Omo winless in Omo last 14 Premier League away games. Wabro Omo conceded first goal. So the signs were written on the wall. Dan Welbeck share goal, it will create problems because that is your record. What have you done to improve it as the coach? 2, Ten Hag has a miserable away record. 17 losses, 16 wins, and then they can a draw. United are naive. Where will be some no? United are naive. Since 2022-2023, they have lost more Premier League games thanks to goals scored in the 90th minute and beyond than any other side. 6 times. From last season, 6 times. They'd only lost 2 such games in the first 30 campaigns in the competition combined. Next, Premier League starting in our first 30. So 90 minutes or more. Obesha United, no, they see 2 times a pair. Under Ten Hag. Since 2022-2023, it has happened 6 times. It is a coaching problem. Please fix it.
Sports.
Fix it. Your problem. Deal with it. So with team Nenya, they've made personnel changes near there. You are making technical changes. Fix the problem. And yes, sir, this season, no time to waste. Train no air call.
Mesa also believe because Liverpool Man U are over for Ten Hag.
It's over.
But the train is moving.
The train is moving. As I'm not American, it's over.
I'm ready to so pre-economy in the show. Now be no rough sun here. Let's move away. You see, Arsenal defense now Rolls Royce defense. Make catch them. They had arguably the best defense last season. And I almost answered the account in Calafiori. The Julian Timber looks like a new signing. Ateta team no. It improves every year. So, Timber, Calafiori, they are new additions to the Arsenal defense. Omube improve here. 1, in terms of how they stop goals. And then 2, in terms of how they build up. So, what check Julian Timber, and the role he played, especially from the middle, it is to tell you something. Say, Arteta is finding another way for Arsenal to play. The any more last season, no, the biaka an extra layer of build-up play.
Wow,
and crucial. Now, Osher David Raya Swa, there has been an improvement. Goals not stopping against Aston Villa. Again, the Nissan 2-0. Arsenal should not have won 2-0, but for Oli Watkins poor finish and then 2 Raya's goalkeeping heroics or making some double.
Also of a man of the match.
Yeah. Rogers no ball be man ball bad. Then Watkins from the rebound, he made that save. Crucial. Fancy say, build a team and found Arsenal more Monje. Me, we will have to speak about improvements in their team and how quality they have become.
So far.
Mikael Merino introduction also add another dimension to the Arsenal midfield. The only thing remaining for Arsenal to gradually either usurp Man City or be equal to them. Omubenya an elite attack. When's the Saturday me catch say they don't need a deadly finisher or a striker. No, I best say team narrate them, it will change their structure and they will have to start anew.
Say be a winger be on also sharp.
They need
offensive
an elite attack. Until our story will say Arsenal are looking for an extra winger. Shadrack Mboye with the Arsenal goals they scored, total goals for last season. Now who goal distributions now? Bukayo Saka pe any player onya 20 goals in our competitions. This is a top club fighting for top honors, Premier League, Champions League. The numbers produced here and encouraging. Saka 20, it is okay. Trossard, on and off. Ono Bem with 17. Kai Havertz 14. Odegaard, Onya attacker. But this is why I have a problem. The two Gabriels from Brazil, one, Martinelli and Jesus, they need to step up. And that is how come. So Arteta pursue Wenger our transfer business way more. It is not because of Penomana Nonya. He needs an elite finisher to add up. Because Saka, no what I say, every year he is improving. Improvement as Saka de mano. So shout the numbers netoswa. Again, Saka is ranked number 4 for goal involvement. Uya, Mohamed Salah, 1. Erling Haaland, 2. Son Heung-min, 3. Bukayo Saka comes in at number 4 for Premier League goal involvement since the 2021-2022 season.
Wow.
Again, you move on to other things about Saka.
I know they are also no.
Good. Where the goal involvement per 90. Oh, check here. Every year, be another big count.
Where Saka nkwa?
Saka
every season of frost test.
2021 now is 0.28 per 90 minutes. 2021-22 or the core 0.54. 2022-23 or the core 0.71. 23-24 the core 0.77. So he has showed that Arsenal are most consistent goal contributor. It has so share and now or creative. Or the beyond to why you see that aside the goal involvement for assist and then also for goals, he keeps improving. So Saka no has showed he's elite because also afe no nyini, but his numbers keep on appreciating. And he say oh nyo bi di aka Saka ne ho na Kai Havertz ne so ho ha ebeboa. Trossard has showed that left no betimi aye. Last season he gave you 17 goals, even starting off the bench most times. And he said, "Unya another elite attacker at the account eboa." So that Arsenal's attack will match Omoro's Roy defense. No, none your Marco. So Chelsea, the end there, a simple and titi. I didn't catch him dada. But for time, I would have delved deeper. But this is it. Fancy. This Chelsea team, what they do is that they thrive in chaos and the coach is trying to give them control. Now, the Maresca, you know, a young fan and Chelsea no esua no it would display most times and then they met the perfect opponent to display Sasuno. Shadrack Mboye with Wolves almost positions and the positions that Wolves were check it almost center backs near 24-14 Mosquera and 30 right back near number 2 Matt Doherty left back near number 3 Ryan Ait-Nouri check almost positions the gap between the center backs and the 4 backs enough space Chelsea be placed in the wingers Nediato. Mudryk on the left or better in between number 2 and number 14 and the Madueke on the right or better in between number 3 and number 24. With this Chelsea team, if you give them space, the biggest threat they have for more attackers near speed, ball progression and now ball carrying. And then also ball creation because they have Kopama. O check in Finfino, number 5, number 8, and then the gap between number 14 and 24 now. Palmer can just sit in there as a number 10 and then be able to spread the passes. Into check here. All the 6 goals now Chelsea share, Kopama had a hand in it. Nane hubomu. The first goal on the 2 corner nearby. The second goal on the share. The third goal an assist na de Madueke. The same applies to the 4th and the 5th. Then on the ball through pass ni tumu. And so Edema Neto created assist for Joao Felix. He had space, he had time. Then the wingers, why I came and predicted the second half will be more deadly for Wolves. Omo no omo bench. They had more quality than Omo started here, especially for the left wing. Neto obien who name Wolves team we SN or Chelsea team name because on your man nebo onimobia loopholes obeshia do to training on him how to deal with him and it's a net on your bench now Mudryk about 45 minutes now near the Neto bar. Imagine what will happen. So it was not surprising. So Neto's inclusion added another creative spark on the left for Chelsea and that is why he got an assist. So the game ne a Chelsea team no any the profile they had. And that is how come Mambo team can I'm trying to say Wolves Nimua Memo Mumba for the second half because approach anyhow they structured themselves is suited Chelsea more. Maybe the smartest thing Gary Onunko Bayern second half no and common the team no in retreat and common Cambridge Chekakra na omon kamo omonya comparable be still and a Chelsea dininya. This is the early signs of the team Maresca Baye. Omobe 2-dimensional. If you give them chaos, they will match you. If you bring control, they will try to also out-control you. And this team, so much to say we are. Because if this Chelsea team clicks to full gear, they have enough weapons in the attack to destroy, annihilate, massacre.
Yeah. Whoa, Mate, me that say, you knew it was so real quick. I'll still live on Sompa TV, live on Radio, and I feel live on the our Facebook OP wallpapers. Yes, wallpapers, no do be our pesa auto, our colors, and our designs, and so can. And it's also says with them offices, NHS or Mountain Sonimpo, a banner say, be a baby, so child decoration piano, but Morian say only OP and so Abekasa, more outside Kumasi, I'm open to do 2 at home. Now my German fast. Swafi, wope a TV backlight, we are suffering light, open plastic wardrobes, a center carpet and air diffusers, obe ya flowers ni bi enso ato OP, elma bi ato bell spread and so no, wakako fabi enso edi abadu veni nyina bi ewom, edum PZ nana akwesi ajiman, build the name na afre chronom barrier on the market and edi edimhwe, a 0540 353750 na chasa oni OP enso enkasa wo be so tu kwama no ne ekoto a suku so wo pe scholarship we e fully funded anya se utua bi ama chasa ban no so atua bi a when aye express group ono na no betena say admission omo na jama visa nsensem wo mo process ama ticket ni nyina no wo man ni simple ama ebia wakoma so ade ne say obekọ Canada, US, UK, Germany and Africa, New Zealand we no express enso edrobeko afe make out say nurse ni midwife ni also be so to us our manonia when express group empenifo no enso enkasa branches adults our Ghana asafo labor runabout and a doom aye railway ababia police station on mo ben ho and afe make out say enkran so Kanashi first light aye 0249 000448 now on Impenifone and Kasei. Fibo Ventures SA. One toothbrushes and personal. Jabomodian so BGB now we use this and say Afri fresh about toothpaste. And a brow emonum sham. A brow a bow see a chinam hobine. And ma was sending a young what jama power brushu tita. Yana mo Jeffrusia se banning in ano. When a Afri fresh herbal toothpaste and a brow. One more our Ashford Prince a toothbrush. Ashford Princess a your banadia. Obenya Ashford Evidence, Ashford Executive, and friendly, and I feel Galaxy Ninano, and so our home to be now, would you see, and I say, would be choose, and Anopa, and you remember, wow, for Sego Lane, I 0535 452263 now Fibo and some angels nan komobia kabiano when a penny and the Bafu Polo African print and one of that's at the year Juma we and your casapin and tied in friend and sound of ball and unti say automatic cano pay my company and us institution ebia schools and a mom here Friday way and just a Wednesday way no will Jumu come out to do be abesa pambiano Bafu Polo ever pam the camera mount we be now platinum package shirt in the year 20 diamond a 15 gold package aye 10 silver package aye 5 and a bronze aye 1 to 4 afei lapel tops and the down no obenya bi enso ato designs in ewom colors no so doso wasa pam kaftan no wow design abeso ye mo ani na Bafu Polo say yen kan cha se fabra wo pa dwumafo no ma ye dwumatu timi kan no pay na se oyo ba oyo bema wo pese on Bafu Polo aye dwuma hwehwe no e wa henema kokoben of santaso oboase kwan so aye 0249 600789 Bafu Polo and so abejo so Luther now where there
fancy nyamia dum na aya munya dede
okay
matuma campaign kwa ene dare twe Chelsea for montum bo hey daben da Chelsea Arsenal for kran kasai oh na day
kura manim na babo bia soro se mfenante obo hat-trick ba kwa msie nya mo na mo mfa ne nso
okay
adai Chelsea for
okay
mu ye dede dodo
ze nye kasa pio
right fancy ma me breaking it down wa fi se mu mfama ya hwefo ne ya tiefo na ne nyina no se enura opiem moving pick hotel na the vice president edma omai kronkron Ghana onu na osai frankatuni edma MPP amanyoko no his excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na enura odi dwumade bi wa dia na eda so Baumia host the media one centrofo share na yankase chamo bright kankambodu IST and sorry John Obusa the vice president, the flag bearer, Edma New Patriotic Party, say opanyini na wonte yade ame busaw say what is wo ye day ni nyina na say yenu no modi dem the black challenge amputee national team no nanu adom kwaje African Cup of Nations the bae o mana se ato o masawram ajeja mu na no achi no sa say oba 6 regions mu create ye no oba go prama foforo Edamo na dada no kwan ye hu so hwe na bo from by the day ye ntim waya owura fe Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Ademai
so I'll talk to the sports minister here to get the facts on the issue. I'll talk to the sports minister here to get the facts on the issue, and if that is the case, I will try to expedite their payment. So I'll when I leave here, I'm going to raise that issue. There is also the issue of 6 new stadia that and only one of the existing 5 is being maintained. I think that is a very good question. One of the problems we have is the lack of maintenance of our pitches. I met with the Black Stars in Kumasi before their last game there, and when we met, the coach and the players were very clear that what they really needed, and this is why I've put it in our manifesto, was an international standard pitch. You know, that the pitches that we have difficult to play on, and we needed international standard pitches. So
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia no was amputee for issue no one shadante and you obebusa the sports minister na what say yemo musika bia ya to o masawram ajejamu ene sa no mohunu kwan be fa so o se tuomo a ne tuomo na no china stadium no o say Ghana any standard one yetimi di host FIFA international games entini nyina na oba o mbehwe na omo atu ho anamo anu ntino why say ne manifesto mu no on be set up professional management team to maintain our pitches and in small ben watching yanko NDC si chena eyezu eyeza eno ye John Dramani Mahama esuna no Saturday eno no so ni manifesto no opa hontoma na eno ne ebusan say sports na eno so sports the okeka ye nie 10 solid points and what by the council obe support the development of Coast Division 1 Division 2 and a Ghana Premier League clubs no obe bom ni nyina no say omo salaries no plus a register no on be no mama allowances and which is one undertake emergency say your pitches no be koye edamo na facilities outdoor national stadium outdoor one Kumasi Accra Tamale Cape Coast and secondary ni nyana miti FIFA standard na senye Kumasi a ye ni agopramo Ghana ye team the born international matches and what you know on be build more multi-purpose sports facilities na on promote regional sporting event na what you inter-schools competitions so be part on be first so ama talent development policy as what member and what is on be establish equitable investment our other national teams about a man football na esaso no be upgrade eba sports colleges outdoor na se tima boa na se no matima kwe no mapi na John Dramani Mahama the flag bearer Edma NDC the former president Edma Republic of Ghana edi tudwa no mapi eno edi tudwa fa sports one na no so no edi etudwa na no chire nwuram nyantwe Samates bobo eko no so no mu gira Ghana na mu ewo prelims eba CAF Champions League no money Cameroonian team your friend Victoria United and the first leg kopia mu Douala Cameroon Emma Samates ekwe winning 1-0 ewa away second leg na advantage Samates ewa Accra Sports Stadium nura and again basu Samates etmisha bakwa Victoria United entmiante Abranton Isaac Afo elenya go bakwa Samates eshe edima womono and I'm summer 2-0 on aggregate Samates the advancing to the next stage of the CAF Champions League and nuna before the game team no kofar by team ra your friend Dr. Richard Dia Nsenchire any place in kasa say semunim owu amontwa na Ghana nyina no etamachi ntumunya sei emfama Ghana
concentration. We cannot afford to make mistakes in front of our home crowd. There are thousands coming to watch you today. You will see the stadium. They are coming just because of you. It is linked up to the international world. People are going to watch you on YouTube this match. Some of you, your breakthrough will come today. Today, some of you will be called into the national team. Some of you get contracts outside. But it depends on what you do on the field.
Dr. Richard Dia Nsenchire no wase masa enimo obi kina ko nie obi national team collab ebe base enura game no before the game no one players din komo show mu kran motivate to ma bibia ye kama na game no ba na wie no ene yakwani coach Nurudeen Amadu edin kwana si kwachito Samates team de na hwehwe from ho no and one after 2 legs, to
grow, we need to be tactically awake a little more. We have certain things that we shouldn't be doing at this stage. But I think that it's a young team, and so we will grow it to maturity as the game progresses. We anticipate a very tough side because Raja is an experienced team. They are experienced in the champions, but we will give them a match of their lives.
I know I am summer. Do try ya di emamo na enu chi no yenhwe Samates omo fans no na yenhwe omo so after the game on free a boy and a buyer summer boy in important omo se di omo hwehwe na omo nsaka Samates omo da omo asie nti omo eno Samates no yemra mo CAF Confederation Cup eno yensu atrema boboku no omso nanu Saturday ena omko for second leg e Yaoundé omni team free chat you're from TP Elite Sport ena ekoko sha first leg e wa Accra Sports Stadium twom 3-0 led by coach Yapreko. Second leg ebana wie no na omo akwa share 2-0 na Abrante Walid name of Husseini and a twatedi cadman swatremai and sana Stephen Dew at the second goal eka home na urama game no bana wie no swatremai bobo kono na urama executive chairman kwafar by honorable Ignatius Bafowa na odi the birthday nto omo dinkunima omo dedicate to omo win Edma executive chairman.
We dedicate this win to our bank ruler and our president, Honorable Ignatius Bafowa. This win is for our president. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Eno AJC adema me no chire nwura mo kaka competition nom eno so bechem United for an etmaje edi esom na so after so mo chi Nations FC ebo mo ekamienu a omo antment no omo na age edi esom na so ama bia kama Asante Kotoko ekopia mu eso hohoi eno hohoi United ekosi akai na game no ba no na Kotoko no hohoi obi ahye ne yonko eka baako eno AJC adema mo heart of folk eso akɔ piem ɛwɔ Togo na Togo na phobia akɔ piem no so Wednesday on bebo friendly game pre-season friendly and on bebo omni AC Samasi and bebo our start municipal stadium na game no ebetima ba so 3 p.m. and beto dwane de tinyina so ansem awdo a yeboabo ano enne anopai wa fisiem no yemfansi ewa ha
wo luta me da say ye den ho aba real quick e bana yaba beto aso aba be hwemam say Mr. Vice President Eden Insemetu General wa bro shi ansem ne eye ensem pina na be bana afi aye owura mahama so ensem nyina na e be hwe na yaba be hwem na die aka ye den ho aba ye bana yaba be rem e wo fie.
My name is Charles Burton, the CEO of Express Group of Companies. One of the company is specialized in travel, that is Express Group Travels. Express Group Travels, we assist mainly abroad. If you're a student listening to me or watching me and you want to study in US, Canada, Australia, Germany, and many other places, Express Group is ready to assist you. We have assisted so many students, and those of you who want scholarship, you want to write some of the international language tests like the SAT, like the TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, the IELTS, and the rest. Express Group is ready to prepare you to write it.
I recommend each and every one of you out there to visit any of our branches across Ghana for a study, visit and then work permit visa. Express Group, we are the best.
Express Group, we have our offices in almost all the regions in Ghana. If we're in Kumasi, our offices there, we even have 2 offices. One at Asafo Labor Roundabout, the other one is our new international airport, Kumasi International Airport, the roundabout there. Boko, Greater Accra and so on. We have our branches also there. We have one at East Legon. There will be also University of Ghana campus where LSRC building. We are also located at Kamishi, First Light where we are also at Tema and Kasua. Just a Oko Tamalin Swat, Oko Sunyane, Oko Takra. We are located in almost all the regions in Ghana. It is a person to find here and then I'm for our country in Bedai Express Group. In fact, Express Group has supported thousands of people to study, to work, and to talk in most of the advanced countries. We are ready to assist you. We are indeed ready to assist you. So if indeed you are planning to travel, or you are planning to go and work outside, or you are planning to have some holidays outside, then as a CEO, I recommend Express Group to you, and I bet you Express Group will never disappoint you. God bless you.
Toothbrush no. Why you toothbrush no? Rashford.
Nah, Nina Rashford dear. Not so evident no way.
Who that the evidence ben? And then Rashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Rashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya moku bi. Rashford Princess. And now bra could you so Rashford Galaxy. What dear na ira no so Rashford Evident. Media so Rashford Executive. And now media no so Rashford Friendly.
Without Rashford toothbrush
my dear, Rashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bro do me ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Rashford Prince, Rashford Princess, Rashford Friendly, Rashford Evident, Rashford Executive, ne Rashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. To phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Rashford toothbrushes. They will soon
Mamisha, time HH about Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa. Eyadro say, mani peduan kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare and train yare and san wakwakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono wonwa and the time HH heba Mr. Edia bejaso akra wonyanya mfrisia dumienu enumbi wo pemfo ene oba wo makra nufuo enso enumbi time HH heba Mr. Who benya bi over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Eyadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Winehead. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
Mama Kwababa, Gentleman Dental. Gentleman Dental Clinic, you do not be a idea and say, BCC will sing, Naya Bo sing Hobai, Amawonum, and so Axi, and I say, or sing animal yams so far and to my pa. If you fix one no, and I say, you tap for the permanent one no, and also you see a untimi aim to give, and no, and you feel the PFM bridge, and I say PFM crown. I feel you sign a cleaning services about your profession, Mona, your friend is killing and polishing. Say, Idia, and never be as she a cinema, said you Okasa, it's me, my pampan, and the Ebo. Oba Gentleman Dental, ye Nina be Ewo. Gentleman Dental Clinic, ye will for Central Police Station and Chanwa, and I would do and kind so sway you Nungwa, and atomic down, Domekwa being a runabout on so, and I would do Takwa, the pipe one, traffic light, and a pipe one, ye OGN Bank and with the same premises, and a Kachiman so your magazine market a quine suwa, and I say opposite AY Ahmed, and I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction, Total Filling Station, traffic light na and if G runabout on, free Total Filling Station, I have brought Simon and Edio. A year you may free Eda Joada Popem Eda Memeda. With me, Afreya Homano, it was 055 913 9582.
Abusaka Kabi will have made out to Nara, who said, woman said, about Fracket 1 year, 2 years, Akadaba. It's the African Spider Man, the mayor of Fracket to him, one any problem here. Then the big cost for Nuti coming when you go ready, won't be African Spider-Man and Baby say Bob of Faith, but preoccupying who's African Jacks, what Baby say Bob of Faith, now we secret to anything. Imboost Heba Mixture, and only me secret. Now me here to know how to cut out from. And a police me do what I said, say, many namin sonshare, namin soeno, a boosted immune system. I'm a semi trainer mental bread. Meet me the come on. I'm going to come with home so across your class, Metayale, I'm my latitude, meaning about. And yet, Nakoso. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you going?
I'm a cratching. Ubenya Imboost Heba Mixture, our pharmacy, and answer Heba shops. A pin for and in Kolamundi if you do me, Enom, FDA, Ajigadi Tatui at
712.
Here is to the friends who took the chance with no regrets. Investors no more hating fortune. To the health workers who diagnosed lacks every move. And then to the hard guy who couldn't hold his emotions. To the passionate fan who couldn't contain his joy. To the seamstress who turned her hand-earned stitches into a bundle of joy. And now, here is to you. Your next big win is right here. From 1st July 2024, dial *712# and Coswato tickets as a group individual to win in the community draw or the grand draw on the 30th of November 2024. Unlock your luck with *712#.
Rated by the NLA on the Caritas platform, not for persons below 18 years. T&Cs apply.
If I shop, I'm not sure you're bad.
Brother, and not so beautiful.
What time about Michelle and see about Queen Wayne and say?
Bra, said your time about Misha, as your Jimmy fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Really, no, this is offending now.
Bra, so make us a midi time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria. What run the time about Misha?
And you go, dear, no matter what to me any deal. What run the time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear, one ma for down for any aquada when you fear to me, and son of the time about Mr. Drabino. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziba, a woman. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers, and they have a shop to Namu. FDA Aji a judging cratoy at home.
I know here. TV, fridge, freezer, air condition, gas cooker, washing machine, smartphone, sound system, water dispenser, microwave, blender, rice cooker, kettle, and iron. Seven Hisense smartphone is yeah, titi so more than a Hisense factory direct promo. It's in your madada noa. Emma light bill kuno. Fasi baby, never jiffo. 19th August, I come 28th August. Bora Hisense showroom bia. Koso says factory direct promo way. 9 days per 80 first come best serve. Hisense everyday prices for everyday people.
Kind of way, tell you so the more money promo nabo.
Oh, be a Pesica. Now, so dear party a Pesica. Sika Bebre. For who don't tell us more money promo than Disica. Disica, not send Disica Bebre. For who Chimubi. Air free. Now, Bayern said, load credits and not data. Then you could di 1 million Ghana cities. Which Jessica Pudu on Ankasa. Then Biana Washivia. Yebe Cheska. Now, go and query and on 3 million Ghana cities. And now, that is staff of an hash. And I send win call 500. And now for Telestar play up no sooner for who Chimubi. And Pandudu or reload no. Now, the who and what's in here, Disica or Telestar more money promo. For Swallowdy. Disica, a millionaire.
Telecel. Connecting energies.
It's a shaka crack down. Sandra told you any lamount kind of Caritas lottery platform. No so.
So wallpapers, papa OP wallpapers, and American for amount. So wallpapers, they are decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye perhaps a hodo. Baby bia unya wallpaper, they do jume biano. OP wallpapers, Efro. Yama wallpapers, ebe macho blind curtains. A ban of bedside lamps and so on. OP, MR types, or mark shapes. Colors out nina. Ubenya biato ewana sweho. Say open LED backlight, edi above flash screen a chia, and also OP, ebe Mobi. So self ring lights, I do phone bishim. A OP wallpapers and a bema self ring lights. OP Ewo Kumasi Doom first floor. Nana Kwesiajman building name. Tafo GNTC building first floor. Ana Chronom our barrier on the market and Edian share. So open wholesale and answer retail. Any OP any in South free OP our 0540 353750.
And you saw what Uncle Ford run at all down. Ha! Hey, come on, the first one we are brutal. I feel the bobo, what you did and see on what you are drawn out to down for us. But we flew coffee. Ah! Coffee! Your fast bra. Now we are both saying for and the statue at the end day. So, Jonathan, so, but hey, your first me anymore. Ha! Oh my, Ambra, Kofi. Oh yeah, when you sir, make a throw one on the day na craft for and stay to Kumasi for a day. Sir, we don't make a craft for. Sir, o ma drop drone boot ni now, massa. O ma drop on you na kan ho bla. Hey, that Jimmy no who say at work. Obey na ho na fedi. Hey, we don't ma dress any boot ni na bla. Sir, hey, o ma say ya man watabane na no massa. the crowd draw with you so free ama.
Me doing me because ready you. Hey, Emom come as a fortune do.
What you draw you know. Na so what you know.
Hey! Let me find a dry boy. Really ask your question boy.
The don't say I am a catcher. Massa come as for no money at you.
Me doing me.
Ha! On sao a design. Eno ma omo
ya just ni ade bibia akona eto. Nhu ya. Wa he kura be ka say prayer na.
Massa kuma se for ma kire do. Jonathan so.
Ba me dia kra de no ya obu o ba we dey.
E tell Massa.
Hey, aditwam.
Drawing in so no. Wo dey hwe na boje no. Na boje se no. Na hwe na no. Still what say nyanya na ni Massa. Ha! The fakro ya we brutal. Face ya no.
Me don ya me say akwani e good.
I say I click in here adwuma. Ha! I click in. Massa drawing where dem will be that. I click in here adwuma. Hwe. Face ya no. Enyinya. Massa.
Ni fakro abo already e me don ya me say. Ma ko e na mana. Ha! I click it.
Drawing pa na I click here adwuma. Drawing I click here adwuma.
Say new technique.
Facia. Ha! Facia na no slow so Massa.
Is it new technique bi aba?
Kuma se fo no ti wo mani ate. Massa. So mo akra fo no here ni statue no. E no mo here so ta on be here on be draw na to down ho. Etimi be pie so na mo wa Massa.
Omoni ate o bla.
She.
Whatever. I clicking.
Baby.
Ha! Do I do it?
O Massa drone just on say no o mediama. Hey! On e do o gi o. Sha! I will Jonathan so who can so a father player na.
It last now.
And you so what go for draw na to down you. Ha! Hey, come on, say for so we brutal. Akwe be bo a wagidi na sia no wati na draw na to down fala sa no. Ba be free Kofi. Ha! Kofi, your fast bra na we abosan kranfo na ye ne statue na de ndey. So wa Jonathan so wa. Be he. Your fast me jira ni mu a. Ha! Oh my, Ambra, Kofi. Oh ya.
What are you?
She. Make a try one on the day na craft for you and state to Kumasi for your day. She.
We don't make a craft for.
She. O ma drone boot ni now, Massa.
O ma drop boy nyina kan ho bla.
Hey. Hey, that Jimmy no who him say artwork. Obe ya na ho na afedi. Hey.
We don't ma dress ni boot nyina bla.
She. Hey, o ma say ya ma no wata.
O yale a jiso wa hu moja kuo na na.
No crepa. Doctor, say fa ni hu apa. Alternate Doctor Usu kan kama sem na obeka ha. Na me na wonwun so mu ha o mekire mu a prostate problem. Doctor hwe no e ma otimi dwonso e. Oyiwa doctor sanso say yade bi ti say hepatitis B and C mekire brebu mu yade. Diabetes a eyensi kire yade. Pressure mekire moja broso. Enam yade bia doctor tenete. So me masem entimi nkoyi empo so obema no ewu kra. O ba doctor say for garlic ba ko pe ebra. Na obema we ye bema asanso atde wompem. Say eya akoma yade. Ulcer, fibroid, kidney and liver problem. Oba unukunu apawa ansumu nyabie. Wana owo entini ni dompemu hawo. Minua no mema wo pese mo bema eya kese.
Enie minua kire me ba bia doctor so ewo.
Ye kumase atianse ebrem ahemfie ne soro ho a Daro Salam school no enchen pe. Fred doctor tetefu inso 0599 311 311. NAC Clinic, we bring your smile back to you.
Whoa, Yemre na fe yentuaso live on Sompa 93.1 FM, live on Facebook, and I feel live on Sompa TV. Ye ram ewo fie and sa Mike Mombre na fe. I am Rameshem command doso summer text ashe ni munyam and I feel so at the mind so a day asoso a jame. Omumi enu advance to the next stage of a CAF Champions League and a CAF Confederations Cup respectively. Yemre na yemre diwo en komona real quick afi. Yen shara yemeshe Mr. Vice President and a former president Mahama and so Ediana Brandon Swan ya ba be fam so mo course no Yes, in Bustaba Meshano, police near Drummond Pebintona, Monumbi, Ebabwa, Paway, Aya Drotatashe, a two malaria fever, so Honam Yomre, we will be say, Obeso, immune system, Enya Wadamapa, not just a system that function Aya Jumaya, and no, Aya in Bustaba Mesha, police near Drew, and I can for a day amount and ne anopay, Ya Bomodian Sobe Pebi, Ato, Animal Bawa Fefro, while full from our bet you Fanwa and Yam Mountain, what you know, Kodano Sonya above 12 years, and you cross Oman Numbi. Yari Imbust Pharmacy, Abba, a wholesale and qua, and tomorrow running pharmacist, Mama running over the counter, and as a drugstore, more power for droning in a biato, more probably droning in a biso to Atoa. Imbust Pharmacy, our offensive quadie, offensive quana so quadie, 0246 208496. Yes, Meza, my memory when I feel Mike and Sombram.
Yes, fancy. Na weekend we na one particular weekend and I'm attention e wa ways as wo fie. Na me pese me share the reaction of our two teams from represent here in Africa. How far our development in your city and your adaptation in terms of the demands of the competition and the it looks like Ghana and Kasani, the progress we've made in recent times in the year improve upon the first phase of the qualification. Not necessarily say Yakobo group stage there, but normally the first games now normally we have you tie loose no. But say there is a lot of confidence and Dreams FC asset here setting by the standard be there to baby. Your teams in the core multi be more than intimidating kunim. When was the last time I near time when you say Ghanaian teams are consistent when it comes to away games? Not to even talk about home games. Now the anymore when you say ye di kind about ho maybe I will share one no be na befia. Ni ababe show 2 and 3 ni qualify no matter the opponent when you're North Africa sem edrume bi na Burkina fo bule na Cameroon fo bule West African nations in the crowd there say you bo wafu level when it comes to even junior side come bule be bule or that particular level ni na de buy but Dreams FC ne mediama mu mu no there has been a lot of improvement when it comes to winning away games and winning home matches. And I'm very much impressed with what I saw at 2-0 away, far from home. When the way African football city, no matter the size of the team, when the team realizes that a more chance to qualify, they will do anything to make sure that they qualify. But adeba kwa na man your money team dem so kwa na so ye deba. The level of quality these two teams in our is what remind ento superstar. Kuruma say is what remind Enfa the best player league near boy ni na wie when you say best player no is what remind Fano. The best players of the league has even moved out of the league. Ekwa manone baby fufuro Kayeke your best midfielder okwan Dauda your best midfielder okwan Lamte your best midfielder okwan House of folk players here no mu yi omokonadu ya don kra bebo one season krokwa wasaba beboa ene yesi Hamza Isa Barcelona 4 pe La Masia enkomo ene na mframa mu no say no kre say nya no kre ono so hwe so no be free kro ni ma ye dey akọ Jonantwi wai oda so Dreams FC onko baby a. So the biggest players even in our league and the best ones no fancy at the end of the day either they are still here or they don't move and I'm move here and call team BT say Swatremai. But Swatremai the Walid name amu. Small boy you cry or small boy on Nam Kumasi High School. And they do mobile this tournament and almost out to best defender Filippo Fori. Esa manokoye. I must say omate buno for him. Omate Ghana for him. And omate wonable him. And this is a good statement. Way Menka say ombe qualify against Amone Raja, right? Menka say ombe qualify against Raja. But they've set the tone for Raja to be very careful.
I doable.
This particular. I'm not making say they've set the tone.
Yeah.
Almost set the tone here, pa. Almost set the tone here, pa. And coach ya preko ye hunu dwumadi oba a obedi wo ekrom ase ne ball coach na waba be coach ne bia akwakodu ni se akwakofa isu atreman shoes na Maxwell Konodu jai to won na shoes e modu because Maxwell Konodu an experience gafa or on a brand and a standard I was set to the Ghana Premier League mo ana baby or pick isu atreman dey omo free I do adi isu atreman here because on the qualify isu atreman for Africa for the first time. It's Ube replace coach Maxwell Konodu. You need to meet the standards now. I said to the idea at the one. Oh, meet the standard nekran. You need to earn the respect of these players, especially say you don't have Maxwell Konodu anai. And then you might bet more earn the respect near say in summer obe catchro muno ebeye juman ebeye on the field of play. Ama resource aye Aba. Results in the bar, it total put you at the set because he's now qualifying. No, he has actually matched one way or the other the level of improvement and I'm for expecting the man. Because no BN say at least on more kwana komasaba and say no unya ko participate here can for $50,000 now. It's not about the group stage anymore. Now for my chassis and your mouse karakra and a bear on say our prekun will make another history with Iswatermai. Happy for them. Sompa takes league champions. For the Confederations Cup there, Dream FC has set the standard nedaho. And so has some replicate. For the CAF Champions League, it has been a long period of time. Ghanaian clubs over the group stage. Apart from the last time, Mediama will be. Mediama unfortunate to be in a group with Al Ali, Yanga. These two teams have been consistent with the competition for a long period of time. It is not mathematics. And a miracle. It will take some time. And some level of consistency to get to that level. Meno, Kaminyaya, Kamediamani Dream Service in money more. I'm not saying it's Obin MP on Munshaw. Kawasan Komwankasa show money more ye no more improving now Komobo Africa back to back. Now Dream Service is born back to back because we need a certain level of consistency. And whenever these teams play, and I'm team back no but because all these years it has been Ali Zamalek pyramids. It has been younger Simba. What am I say? Different countries. Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates. Na Kaizer Chiefs are bad. Abe Sebitene na mwana Super Sport United. And as Swallows FC for ne bakwa bishim. So among the leagues in Africa, no, there's a certain level of consistency on mama se wo. That is to hear this advantage. But in as much say a year to hear this advantage, we are in a certain position where we've been able to cause upset. What's a upset? A continuum. No numbers now. Any idea about me improve your figures in a point? Say the baby back to 4. A bit my possible. Samatex. Dauda Yusuf ko Emmanuel Keyeke ko. But you look at the team Ekuta Samatex. Baba Musa Moda su team nim. There's a certain boy they call him Dakun. Richmond Dakun. And when this tournament ni mu and I say competition ya ebuya, wa yin ho pa. Wa yin ho pa the Samatex. And oye game Samatex e bono ni coach Nurudin ebo. Ade mama is so happy for coach Nurudin e Samatex here say now coach Nurudin anya the opportunity to show ade when mu after Kim Faisal issues. After Kim Faisal issues, because after Kim Faisal no be any say coach Nurudin Jumedi awodi ni na sebi as a nya no nya ade but emiro fi say Kim Faisal a top group no on the first round of the season at Kim Faisal e struggle came man say no be relegation na free team ni mu akono fancy he was the reason why and what build the team no e dey drum pempen so a even if say next round against Constantine bibia timisi o man timi an qualify krana or the Omaji League or the Omoremu Africa, and not only that, but cause by CAF Champions League. Me Constantine in Yehunti Seraja. It is Samatex might have an opportunity to do the unthinkable. Fancy.
Sompa Sports.
Some bit me boy, but my mom penny for abaso. Mr. Incenture, logistics, Ed Monaka, Yente Casabia, Fish almost at African, Yente so be a cofa plane a man on watch reno. Yente so be a duanako cabia, my BBSC. yɛnti bibibɔne ate ne yɛsesa matex na ɔmo ne ɔmo akakra ɔmo de kɔɛ ne ɛkɔ sesaeɛ but in terms of teams na ankasa sɛ ɔmo ntimi nyɛ ɔmo ankasa adeɛ no yɛnti bi kafes no yɛsɛ ohia sika yɛsɛ ɔmo akɔka kɔɛm yɛsɛ ɔmo akɔkyina fa yɛnti bi and they've done well mɛmmɔ mpanyinfoɔ no aba so and this is a very good resource for them.
Whoa, me say, Misa, ye really about share a vice president and so a deal men chance and job for no, and no ever basuna fair day, a former president and so they are so but in the meantime, ye not about clinic campaign for any the blood doctor, the blood group doctor, and no, a doctor who can come up any now on your day. Oh, okay. Now no pen knock much up kind of way.
Me say. Nak branches na sese yebebie ebi enso ewo Kumasi ase Kenya ase ebrem tinie Kenya ase ebrem na ese yewo atiase ankasa na sede wo kana se hefo no nak clinic etiawa eye ayaresabia ye gina mujekuo eso esayade
okay
mi sisubi se yekase nak clinic ya eye ayaresabia ye gina mujekuo eso sayade obi bu on say obi timi ko baby ko je drum ane boa no obi su ko say amo no ana e ho anani ho on say stay obi su timi di aduane bi e ma e ha no aduane kro no obi su be di enya ne hwe
that's right
bayere me de yem fato ho a obi timi di bayere etimi ka say me di bayere bi na me rane me di bayere na em say enso obi be di enya ne hwe adentia enu ntina nak clinic obi enchi a enima hodo nan ene gina so eboa ma adasa eya de etimi ko Edin can say we based on blood type umuja kuwa wom obo nimne de don't worry oba nak clinic ya Kumasi ha branch ya ye behwe ama ye cheke ma wi a ye kirew enuane a ene oboja na mfa se twem firi ho ni ye sa kirew de eye mbaw no wadi suye secondly enso on se dika kirew de ene oboja na mfa se twem firi ho de to so mienu how a wo be complaining no se bia doc Mrs. Sidaya me ya doc me to asintini atwetwe doc me wo any problem doc me me ye fruit me de ulcer me de kidney problem liver problem me masem no form me me rehia encherema game o kasa we ni nyina ni a kire say based on how na wo complain no yes say twumfiri adiwe ho yes adiwe ma me mo mfaton na what ya see yemfon say obi say doc me wo si kire ya de me pese oboa me utu ase ma me sense kire na so pese tu ase ya ye di ka kire de enima ne umoja ne mfa se twumfiri ho na fizi ya saba say based on how na wo kan ebia wo no susudi esi kire anase wo no esi kire niema twumfiri ho ebia wo no ebro aduane based on how no ebia twumfiri ho ebia wo sore no pa heating so hye ne no etoso me yensa on se ya dikan ye first one umoja kuo niema enyema no second one enso medika ka just say second one enso how na wo complain eni metwese ye kire na twumfiri
yes
third one fidia oba be cheke wo no ye be sa kire say based on fidia ye de cheke wo no adiwe but what is so bad more for instance ye was be ye de fidia hwe wo no wo de ye kire say ebia wo so no pa bia heating so hye no obi also betimi akire say usoro no pa bia dikensoro be homache be 4:30 to 5 na ye breathing upie begina ufie nanim ho na wa ye breathing kakra otwemframa na wa gym otwemframa na wa gym otwemframa na wa gym obi ho asare be kire no obi also based on the machine e kan fa no ho no e be kire say ebia usoro ya tapie na fa na woro mpaboa na fa 90 tia abosiem obi sitie ye wi sa nima miense we nyina no ne ye sa ma odura eni wu moja na efa
ntinya dro bia keke
dabi enu tire obi timi ko baabi akwagie dro ema dro ne boa no obi su ko osedu na mo no enu tire ba nak clinic ya ansere bi mo dro nti se hunu muje kuo a wom yo Kumasi ha yo nkoko enkranza yo ho Mr. Shane so ne tie ni so tie me na obi dikaje number no ansere ma bo wajare dikaje number no number ni 0599
0599
311
311
another 311
311
missing number no subio 0599
0599
311
311
another 311 311
311
Tinie obisi doc me masem wo fom me ne me yire hia enche ma jam me ko ba ko pa me ntimi ko biem ma mini kan fa we ntwam mesraw se obema no entimi nsore entimi nya adwuma kora wo ba nak clinic ya mesraw fa garlic local one for mua ba ko bra
garlic
local one also number one use no ya na tai friends agree the ne pe sa local one the friends asante garlic and say efi garlic no pe no bibra mesraw obia ne bema na ewu obia ne bema be fan say 1 month ekunie on tinenka obi wane de be 1 year 2 years 3 years ne bema na entimi nsore kra obi wa how be ne man ba sa obi wo so enyini ese entimi nsore kra so pese obema ne timi sore na woni bomu a me se wo ba fa garlic mua ba ko bra nemo obema no enwui dia me ha fa garlic biama enu timi sere wo mema sem go fom woni wo yiri hia enche no jem wuko ba ko pa wontimi nko biem nak clinic bra ye wo friends ye chira kwan ye wo friends kumasi ya also me say branches wo nkoko betimi akọ ne de kaka ho na say the make can say ubetimi aba kumasi say because obi was doc me pese menya wo ankasa
Sompa
obi kumasi say ye wo Kenya se ebrem Kenya se ebrem atia se ne ye wo atia se wo yeduru atia se a ohene no friends ohene no esro ho na obe full street Kenya se brem achiase uye duru achiase aban school ho obe for ohene no kwan obe street obe pie yenso me se number no ne ade a ehia enu ti number no eye number is 0599
311
another 311
311
me see number no esubio 0599
311
another 311 nak clinic here doctor also can come down no doctor na ugina mojekuo eso say ade no mesrew se wo any problem a na se wo betie mafutuo pa ayate mako edie so Name so we A positive and say A negative jai makodi obi a wo any problem tini na chance so wo any problem na say woni mojakuo mu a ti wo makodi so name so nim say we A positive and say A negative dia jai makodi e mafutuo tini na chance so biam so wo tie me na say wo de no fan say gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydia, and STI, sexual transmitted infections. Sa enam yari mahuru bebre. Obi wo ha ye no nim say gonorrhea. Also Ghana say no. Obekwa yara sabia ye nya test ye information bia hwa mu ni ama oduro. Onya complain no hawa. Ana gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydia, genital herpes ni nyina sese. Maminta ankasem we. Ye how ba ko ni su ene ne ban. Sepa. Et is a gonorrhea, et is a syphilis. Your friend said genital herpes. Sahaway, a yo, nasa 1, 2 and a montema, Obama ve children, Obama ve phone, Obama back to a 1 year. And I did back when I am gonna say, and Pimpin, no nipple bread because a dog. Me pedribbon bema I can see, me pedribbon me beman a raw I thing, and so a beer, not hoping a man beman as to tell ye. And to bad nak clinic, Naso Beman afon, or Beman children more. Answer that memo dribble Beman a raw I think, you know. Michelle who say, wouldn't a how we the Beman out for ye? No, yet serious me ye.
Yes, this is what you can do, ya dear Nasiansa.
More at the say, oh, malaria, no one timidity. No, I am rare. What's the work of 12 more timidity? A bra malaria and ocean to us here. And ultimately, Uban nak clinic upon the Crogina ye mount. Channel 13 ye. Wo dear and America can o member some from when we reach and tenua jam. Wo go back up, won't even go beam a nak clinic doctor who can come down. Mr. Channel 13 ye. Oh, prostate cancer, prostate enlargement, bra nak clinic. Number 4 so ama bibia I come amount. Mr. Channel 13 ye. A situation ye share it to us here. Obviously, doc, maybe a kidney problem, maybe a liver problem. Obi frame was a doc. Me yamaje se min ku ba bia biem nanso enam se de me tese wusi kasa no amama ni age amama nya reche mu se me ba obetimi aboa me hwɛ adeɛ bi ma wanya ni so power yɛn ho ɛne sɛ yɛn ne yɛgyina mogyakuo ɛso yɛn mo woduru bi akɛkɛ yɛn kasi yɛ try ebi yɛ mo woduru wei amoa oba ne yɛsa change ne yɛsa mo woduru wei dabi yɛnyɛ ne saa oba yɛgyina wo mogyakuo a wo mo so sɛ wo ne mogyakuo a wo mo adontori oba yɛbɛteke ma wo Mr. Shannon so your number no is 0599 311 another 311 maybe an IBANA oh okay enti Mr. Yo kumase an ewo Mr. branches in the doors nemum se opeso nya miankasa bra kumase ase unyeduru kumase a airport roundabout road and as a Kenya's ebrem achiase ne ewo unyeduru achiase a friends say aban school mu ha ohene no ekwan no obefo straight we pie yenso bo say ayaresabia kakraka ebo album say yes nyame air so say what hepatitis B hepatitis C now person ye hwe etu asem o ebetu do so within 3 weeks pe we say me be prostate cancer diabetes how bia men kase ma amoso oba nyame ne yaresafo nyame fa me so ama de yen se me kire se adiwi adwani we twon firi ho ayiwe we dinie yeah wo se be boa mesra oba benya me yankase ene ya adwuma ekoso ene ya adwuma ekoso ye adwuma de bia Sunday nko na enya adwuma eno ti se ne ya pesa oba betime ba okina so sa nyame nka na ese free screening a fan se omo betime ba enne ekopem next week no ne nyina fan se omo betime enya bi nyame nka obi
matenti NAC Herbal Clinic no Dr. Usu can come the blood group doctor ana watene kan into monko na fe monko kwaje mayarsa meza
fancy akashado akamu benya akonya asa pia so bi ma mwame a
de ya
bosha badwo so afo no eso omudin e de ato omo no bosha badwo so afo no odin e de ato omo no you see whenever we are in a political season and what do you
to the sports minister here to get the facts on the issue, and if that is the case, we'll try to expedite their payment. So I'll when I leave here, I'm going to raise that issue. There is also the issue of 6 new stadia that and only one of the existing 5 is being maintained. I think that is a very good question. One of the problems we have is the lack of maintenance of our pitches. I met with the Black Stars in Kumasi before their last game there, and when we met, the coach and the players were very clear that what they really needed, and this is why I've put it in our manifesto, was an international standard pitch. You know, that the pitches that we have are difficult to play on, and we needed international standard pitches. So, in fact, in the manifesto, we need to do it. And I believe that we need professional management in terms of the maintenance of these pitches. And we need to train people and also bring in the people with the knowledge. And so we are going to do that, because we just build the pitches and very little maintenance of the pitches and the management of the pitches. So I think this is going to be one of the things that we're going to do. The building of the
okay, fancy. There are several things also with sports minister. The question is, whilst you're on campaign, you are carrying the vice president, only president of the country. So, in as much say, oh, your campaign, it does not mean you should neglect your duties as the vice president of the country. What am I saying? And oh, your vice president now will aspire to be the president. There is a need for you to always understand and know the problems that are at hand, and then the reasons why Asanoma winning a daddy. And nobody is accountable, especially for you. Maybe a say. The state of art facility be a mopese musibia.
Sompa Sports.
Yeah, the land. Your past stadiums on ma. We mama mbeshe bose mu besi foforo bia. Until said ye wo ho no. Ye be hunu se ma ye ho adwuma no, because see ano ye see mako 10 resource centers. Honorable Esiama. Nyinahini. Ho. Koforidia. Doma. A lot of places. Mako 10. Sa 10 ni nyina no fancy. Ene emu dian pa na seriously working. Don't was saying. Obefa Koforidia de ne kakra meboa. Because when you koye Independence Day. Meboa. Ho ye koye really eja na ho. He say funra. Doma funra. Nyinahini ya neglect funra. So all of these places ni nyina no. Fancy. Sanka ye ni ye. Ufri say ye players ne ba omunya baby e kama in the first place to train.
Omenya.
Then your big stadiums na in 2008. Stadium no ye mungu. Munya ni ye. Mu renovate, mu personal chamber bi na wasa mu ye extension a. Mu be modernize ya. Munya no me hunu se mu betimi aye. Put strict measures when it comes to maintaining it. Scammer e-ticketing omode ba ye na. Si e bon match wi a na akoto account mi surodo no. Mu me hunu so adwuma a eye se eboa amietimi aye facilities a ebetimi aye world class. And your players ni bejina so a na we 9 na we sa. Some of them even don't want to play due to the pitch. The entire party mo ba de bia na asoma physiotherapist. No di na chi so mfa ne mra. Most of these things kaka ho. Me omunya boshe no. Fancy. Boshe ba Joshua asem na doso. Mo ma adwuma no enkasa. You are still the sitting vice president. Work can start on the existing stadia we have in this country now.
Whoa, Mate, Mizami Baba Farm course no real quick, but our Qualitac Dental Clinic, say a banner dental therapy, a fee, root canal treatment, and a crown, and a bridge. So, Seno, Yobu Maya nine tokrone de damn eso, Obese, Wamu, just Omutia tokrone mau. Now, Omoya failing, and I say be our sin in CCA. Said Obese be our sin in Yano, when Yanino, Qualitac company for say, Omo Yana Kama Edjamau, orthodontist treatment. A banner scan, any X-ray services, Obesoye cleaning and polishing, numa, aye Qualitac, and I walk Wakaka Omu 2 amau, Amonum, aye sham amachas and Munyamno, and so appear Woodru aye potassium stretch anymore. A Honoma pe or Sanadia Copa Brazono, Wamo ewo catch amajman built the name Anya Iraquai, a banner Qualitaka, Ubiaso Abama direction, our potassi 0538 250078 Jean's toothpaste and a Jean's toothbrush. And so our Ghanaian market and so be Biaba Fabiano will be now Jean's total care. Will be now Jean's a herbal and a Jean's whitening a yajuma with a brush with teeth and a any number a ball was sent home by gum and so any what demapa a fay numa shell symptom. I just say I was a brush around the union up here. I'm a minute in an ebano. I Jean's toothpaste and the Jean's toothbrush and also Modian so be pebi atwana wa use monso moye just a mini mart and supermarket no munyi bi nton na fe I don't akopa ntu ton omoka I just a Jean's toothpaste and a Jean's toothbrush Kulun Ghana Limited Hyunchu capsules and aye droba kwa benom ebe bua amane kan say junso mu yaw nyina na ebejai o junso a wote ya uyo obi aba na say prostate obeso bon ho ben a wode no aye Hyunchu capsules Mr. Q aye bema why a mere ewompam what dear a premature ejaculation low sperm counter what drono and so a Mr. Q na make come for and some at the amount and anopay a feme council bar a drono a araba bazen tablet so your bar obeso menstrual pains echo menstrual disorders echo emo bar what today and so ewompam a drono a araba bazen tablet and a babwao a 0244 275429 Boris B chicken akoko nam anwoton eye halal fire aduane esum awoho unkonkwanya problem bia no aye Boris B ensa no ene ye kamfo de ama se full chicken ranks no gizzard and layers ni nyina no obenya odru aye poku trading Bantama High Street on Presby sorry dia nim hwe ana afeme ka se asomasa market on so Boris B akukọ nam no obenya dudo bi a wo pe 0544444453 na onsa enkadia time heba mixture aye malaria dro tatashe malaria fever no utu ase wonuma to aduane nyode anase honamre ana ba so dro no aye time heba mixture time HH aba mixture ne capsules aye mane memedro oba numbi bema sunumbi opa obato time HH aba mixture anase ne capsules ni nyina no edi dwumadie baako ebesiesie wiye ama chesede aba masetenam 0244417669 yemfa call say 0551931931 0548931931 hello caller. Yes, sir, Penny, we didn't be able to free. Hello. Yeah, big one, it's you. I find out it's you.
American said, me am more in number two. They say, me am I coffee, I support, I know, yes, sir, supporters. I do the meeting in the yes, we have a support. Now the air can be a better way. Yes, you know. I am saying for fast water for them. And if they do the black side of my car, and I am not playing a stadium snack and hear your Jumana. A dear me, a also my next day and paying for also for him, my media sports and in protocol, and the big goal to go play. My crowd will be ready.
Wow, from Bray. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Open you dinner baby aga sefini intio.
Mr. Nyamichi and the Secretary Bonkrum.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The camera can say protocol supporters no. Sababi a munyabu chekaka. As a coach in Omato players the be na moye. Munyabu trema coach no. The selection job be na in Nyamichi. Ya be kama. The top here Madrid. Mbappe Nanziane about the pressure now and what do goodness in more than that Mbappe will present a big deliver the Diama Kama and in Shamu Fancy.
I see. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Open it you. Adam.
Robert. I'm a cataphy, coaching class and trying to get the tone and a budget for me. Fancy, I didn't have any channel. It's a Motiana. Okay.
Aye.
Yeah. And never be there. Kakami Kenya has also brought across the Puka. If you are doing more, the Mujo president and pay for us in China. So you have to put up for Money. Yes, they started now. You can put me up for and has to forget and to buffet. Who is going to find a house to put in the Bibia and you come in Medasi.
Oh, yes, what I say. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Open it, Fury.
So good.
Open it, you.
My main child will be your phone with you, and I'm in charge in a cab to gas also police station for like a senate. So go to find you with my family, I'm in the tobacco, but do I demand to my member is that my any matters about so because now expectation of something can be qualified. But I'm about home when they are qualified there and say about my battle. The can say Chelsea for say Chelsea team and young enough. So do one per striker and family. Nicola Jackson, they have to leave any panton for God only.
Whoa, Mate. What the Eddie can happy birthday to or him I champoma or him I champoma your birthday. Happy birthday, air call and so amount. I say happy birthday to Nana Masewa from Odota. I draw a dance here and I say young show a year I would dapa or no I was some pancras auntie. Nana Masewa and I would dapa Baba and say young show a year I would dapa. Happy birthday to Fancy. Ewo aye amasaman ho and a fancy ewo na your birthday Yeah, show happy birthday. And also going out to Philomena Ako, aka Abna Lipsy, and our Juma, our Tafo Government Hospital, where you test and I say, yeah, we share a year flow. Our Dapa, and the chat to happy birthday going out to Khadija Isa, and then so our Danyamin Tonsupa, and our birthday, no sooner or man, your man, so and you're fine. And my yeah, see, you're sorry, news, and Nyamia, my brepem, Wama, you